मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है बसंती? डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है। कितने आदमी थे। ऐसे कई डायलॉग्स आज इंडियन पॉप कल्चर का हिस्सा हैं। ये डायलॉग्स न सिर्फ हम आम भाषा में आजकल भी यूज करते हैं, बल्कि इन डायलॉग्स के नाम पे कई मर्चेंडाइज भी बिकते हैं। These dialogues have truly become a business unto themselves। हैरानी की बात तो ये है कि अपनी रिलीज के 50-40 साल बाद भी ये डायलॉग्स आज भी बोले जाते हैं। और उससे भी बड़ी हैरानी की बात तो ये है कि भले ही अलग अलग वक्त पे अलग अलग एक्टर्स ने इन डायलॉग्स को बोला हो, मगर इन डायलॉग्स को लिखने वाली जोड़ी हमेशा एक ही थी, सलीम जावेद। Salim Khan and Javed Akhtar were probably the first and the last of star writers Bollywood has ever seen. Between 1971 to 1987, the duo worked on 24 films, out of which 20 were not just commercially successful but also garnered a lot of critical acclaim. No small achievement by any standards, especially considering the fact that even the films that were unsuccessful back in the day, like Kala Patthar and Shan, are considered cult classic today. Salim Javed were not only instrumental in setting up angry young man Amitabh Bachchan's career, they also helped Rajinikanth achieve superstardom. Reason being that many of their films like Diwar and Dawn were remade in Tamil language with Rajinikanth in the lead. Which brings us to the big question that was also raised in the recently released docuseries based on their lives. Why has no other writer been able to fill the void that was left by Salim Javed after they parted ways? Currently आप बॉलीवुड की हालत देख लीजिए। गाने हो या मूवीज, जहां नजर डालिए वहां सिर्फ और सिर्फ रीमेक्स ही नजर आ रहे हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि सलीम जावेद weren't inspired by their contemporaries. Both of them have admitted in the docuseries that they were heavily inspired by either books or movies of the time. Salim Saab even went to the extent of saying that originality is the art of hiding the source. But still, what makes their work stand out till date is the fact that they could take their inspirations and mold them as per Indian sensibilities, mold them as per Indian sentiments. Alas, we are yet to find another set of writers who can do that so expertly and amazingly well. What is your favorite Salim Javed's film? Do let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for more such entertaining content.